Dubai, although it's difficult to believe, this megacity in the Middle East, with its skyscrapers that seem to defy gravity and world-class retail malls and artificial islands, was once a humble fishing town. It's now known as the City of Gold, yet despite its ostentation, it's full of natural beauty and serenity. Welcome, travelers, to another fantastic video of your favorite channel, The Traveler's Post. In this video, we'll be looking at some of the best hotels in Dubai. These hotels, ranging from opulent beachfront mansions to isolated desert retreats, are at the top of our must-visit list. So get your luggage and passport ready because this is about to get exciting. Let's get started. Number 10. Atlantis, the Palm. Atlantis, Dubai is the jewel in the crown of the world's famous Palm Island, nestled between the tranquil blue seas of the Arabian Gulf and the beautiful Dubai cityscape. This 1,539-room mega resort may have inherited the dimensions and identity of its Bahamas equivalent, but its luxury far outstrips anything found in the Caribbean. Its unique guest rooms and suites provide a once-in-a-lifetime family adventure or couples retreat, while its unique signature suites redefine luxury from bedroom views of an aquarium packed with 65,000 marine creatures to opulent 3-bedroom villas with 360-degree views. At its star-studded restaurants and cafes, you may dine on dishes created by Gordon Ramsay, Gregor Berger, Nobu, and Rhonda Locatelli. We're going to start this list in an opulent fashion, but be warned, all that enjoyment comes at a cost and with a crowd. Number 9. Burj Al Arab. The Burj Al Arab is one of the few hotels globally that can legitimately claim to be 7-star, and with good reason. The Burj Al Arab's sail-like facade, now a landmark of the city, has come to represent the no-holds-barred degree of luxury that Dubai has come to define. Inside, 202 duplex apartments are visions of marble and gold. One of the many restaurants, bars, and lounges is encircled by floor-to-ceiling aquariums. At the Tallis Spa, visitors float between soothing treatments and a Roman-inspired amphitheater, offering beverages and nibbles. If you can imagine anything, Burj will provide it. If not, their fleet of Rolls-Royces will take you anywhere you need to go so that you can satisfy your every need. Number 8. W Dubai, the Palm. This adult-only resort is located on the Palm Jumeirah and is one of the finest in the world. The dynamic and colorful hotel hosts music events with renowned DJs, ideal for a sophisticated party environment. The unobstructed Gulf views from this 5-star luxury hotel may be enjoyed from the private beach's beanbags. There's also a network of swimming pools, including an adult-only pool with a swim-up bar. Enhance your day with a refreshing spa treatment or try your hand at one of the many water sports. Evenings provide many chances to have fun at various fascinating restaurants, the trendy adults-only rooftop bar, and a shisha lounge. The sunset views from the Sobi rooftop bar are among the finest in Dubai, with no interruptions. Number 7. Armani Hotel. A fashion giant like Giorgio Armani's first hotel was destined to defy a few design rules. In this instance, a 160-room ultra-sophisticated hotel in the world's most enormous structure. The Armani Hotel Dubai is located on floors 1 to 16, 38, and 39 of the Burj Khalifa. And it combines Armani's trademark muted palette with substantial amounts of drama. Look no further than the C-shaped leather sofa and Arabic archways in the entryway, the curving fabric walls and concealed closets in the guest suites, and the 12,000-square-foot spa. There's also a nightclub, a gift store selling Armani Privé line, and a whole new slew of eateries, including Armani Amal, which offers Indian cuisine while overlooking the Dubai Fountain. Sobi Rooftop Bar offers some of the finest unobstructed sunset views in Dubai. Number 6. Al Maha Resort. If you've ever wanted to spend the night in a Bedouin tent amid the dunes, Al Maha is the place to go. Consider it the desert's equivalent of the Burj Al Arab. The 42 tent-like and air-conditioned rooms are outfitted with Arabian furniture and antiquities, minibars, and sun terraces surrounding private plunge pools and overlook the red dunes of the Dubai Conservation Reserve, which is home to resident oryx, camels, and gazelles. Privacy is essential here, but you may sign up for a wildlife tour or falconry class if you want human contact. This is the perfect option for the more adventurous tourists. Number 5. Anantara the Palm. Anantara on Palm Jumeirah is a fantastic resort for straight-up beach luxury. It's a peaceful vacation option for couples and families with lots of great eating choices and activities to keep everyone happy with a distinctively Southeast Asian feel. The hotel's design is inspired by Thai temples, a motif that continues through the spa and 50-meter infinity pool, as well as the resort's massive lagoon-style pools that link throughout the property. Couples may relax with hammam procedures at the Antara Spa, while children and teenagers are amused at kids and teens clubs. The only overwater villas in the UAE with a glass floor that allows you to see the marine life underneath distinguish Anantara the Palm. If you desire even more solitude, there are exclusive beachfront villas with their pools. The resort has approximately 400 meters of private beachfront where you can try out different water sports and take in the iconic Burj Al Arab views. Anantara is, without a doubt, one of the most enjoyable family resorts on the Palm. Number 4. Ruffles, Dubai. Like the Luxor in Las Vegas, this huge pyramid-like hotel stands out from the rest of Dubai's cityscape. The interiors, on the other hand, are far from shabby. Each of the 200 rooms is a sophisticated take on Middle Eastern architecture, complete with balconies. The finest overlook the Burj Khalifa. Its 3 swimming pools allow you to escape or join the kids, and the Raffles Spa is a must-see for the brand's trademark facials. Here, do like the natives do and order the one with Egyptian gold. The restaurants are superb, serving everything from Japanese to steak and seafood, but many visitors come here to refuel before the big party at their nightclub, Solitaire. Number 3. One and only Royal Mirage. There's no denying that the one and only The Palm is one of the most upscale hotels on the island. This destination is dripping in luxury, featuring Moorish palace-inspired architecture, Michelin-starred cuisine by Yannick Aleno, and beachside accommodations. One and Only is ideal for individuals looking for a private, intimate, and opulent getaway. Enjoy breathtaking views of the Arabian Gulf and the Dubai skyline from the hotel's penthouse suites. Please sit back and relax in the 850 square meter infinity pool with its magnificent double day beds, or make use of the adults-only pool for some extra privacy as you soak up the city views. You have an unforgettable vacation by booking one of the hotel's exclusive beach villas. This is sure to be one of Dubai's most exclusive getaways. Number 2. XVA Art Dubai. The first boutique hotel in Dubai is housed in a 19th century courtyard palace and welcomes the change from the city's more opulent accommodations. There are only 14 rooms in total, all of which have been uniquely created and decorated with Middle Eastern art and furnishings. The rooms surround 3 internal courtyards. Other than an outstanding vegetarian restaurant and cafe, the basic facilities at XVA are impressive. There's even a tailor on site ready to modify your newest souk buy. A satellite building has been transformed into a renowned art museum that holds talks and film screenings frequently. Number 1. Taj Dubai. Taj Dubai is a 5-star hotel located in the Business Bay District, the same street as the tallest building in the world, Burj Khalifa. It features beautiful Indian heritage designs. The setting merges classical style with the contemporary, giving business tycoons and regular families the same chance to enjoy luxury. Award-winning Taj Dubai has about 300 rooms with a range of presidential suites and luxury rooms with city and Burj Khalifa at its background. At Miss Tess, the dining options include Asian street foods, while at the Eloquent Elephant, British and international delights are catered for. The vast outdoor pool is a fantastic place to relax, just like Jiva Spa is great to unwind. With that, we've come to the end of our list. Of course, there are many other great options that we might have missed, since there are plenty of exclusive and unique hotels in Dubai. In the comment section below, let us know which one is your favorite, or let us know which is missing on this list. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Traveler's Post, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about all our future videos. Safe travels, and I'll see you in our next video.